Best Mission 1 Pro video settings for traveling. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. Today in this video I'm going to show you some quick and simple settings you can change on your Mission 1 cameras, whether this is Pro or regular version, to make your travel videos incredible. So the first thing, when you open your GoPro or Mission 1 Pro, then you're going to see the video mode right here, and if you just click on it, so here you're going to see aspect ratio. So always choose 16:9, which is going to give you horizontal aspect ratio, which is best for travel videos. And then if you go to resolution, then here you can choose 4K, which is going to give you incredible video quality. And frame rate for this series of cameras, I recommend 30 frames per second, but you can try 24, but my choice is now for mission action cameras is 30 frame per second. And then if you go to the next section, you don't need to touch anything right here. You can just keep everything as is, or you can turn these off. Now when it comes to image, then here digital lens should be linear, and you can even turn on the horizontal lock. And what it does, that it doesn't give you it keeps your video fixed at horizontal level or fixed at horizon. It's not going to give you any tilt look like, when you do camera like this and this. So this is a very good setting for if you are lock it, and you should be using linear. That will not give you any fisheye or distorted like video clips. Then the next one is HyperSmooth on. I recommend keeping it on just regular, not boost or the maximum one. That way you'll have very good quality video. And bitrate is bit depth should be 10 bit, which is the maximum. And if you go to 8-bit, that is going to give you less color, and you can even click it to apply to all, but I recommend keeping it 10-bit. And for bitrate, do maximum, because if you do in the middle or low, then it's not going to have too much information, and the quality is not going to be that good. So I recommend having bitrate at maximum. And then HLG HDR, you can keep that off. You don't need that for travel videos. Color should be vibrant. Now if you there are other options, but vibrant is going to be very bright and live color. You don't have to color grade or anything, that's my choice. Then shutter speed should be auto, and motion blur you can set it to cinematic low. If you try something else, that's fine, but my recommendation is cinematic low. And EV comp should be 0. You can try plus half, but 0 is best for Mission 1 cameras in my opinion. And then white balance should be auto. ISO should be 25 to 1600. That will give you the very good range. And sharpness should be medium. Don't make it too high or too low, because the video is going to not look natural. So if you keep sharpness medium, that's going to give you the best video clips. And then denoise, you can just keep it minimum. And for these, you don't actually need to change anything. These are the best settings for your travel videos. Now if you do not want to lose these settings and you want to save it, what you can do, just click on the 3 dots on the upper right. So click on that and then click duplicate mode, and then here you choose the icon of your choice, and then here you can just put your own name. So if you just make it travel video or travel settings, and then if you just save, then what happens, this is going to show up on your camera when you open it. For example, I'm going to show you. So let's say when you open the camera, that mode is going to appear right here, and then you have to just click on it, and it's going to go to those settings. You don't have to change it every time, and that's where it's going to be saved, and you will be able to use it whenever you want. So that's my best travel setting recommendations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.